shrink that cardboard.
I think so. Pointing it down.
I got this.
Now, so it would illuminate
That black knife is around here somewhere.
the gauges. Yeah. In fact, was it screw?
I'm sure it was.
Yeah.
Black knife, black knife. Oh.
I gotta remember where the knife went. And quite honestly, I have a video of me taking that apart, so I can show you exactly.
That is a damn heavy.
Oops, wait a minute. Oh, I see. It's crushing the cardboard. Maybe we should, that's okay.
That's
There we
okay.
go. Oh, where is it? This is, oh,
Right
there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the bracket is sliding under the fender.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so then you're gonna go over your way.
You could use a screwdriver to.
Oh, I got it.
Good.
I am now.
Yeah, just drop that through, Randy.
It's not aligned
If
yet.
somebody wouldn't move it around.
Sorry. Why are you moving it around?
Put the headlights on first.
Okay, so you're gonna have to play with the one over here.
Okay, which way has it gotta go?
There was no switch. There is a switch. I didn't know that.
Oh, there it goes.
Right here.
Yeah, I think you said-
You know what? Glasses.
Okay.
Um,
Now I know.
The screwdriver, just drop it through.
No, I didn't even know there was a light there, Joe, until it burned up.
Hey Randy, got another screwdriver over there?
The drawer above the open,
The one
Yeah.
that says screwdrivers? Got one.
that one works.
You got one?
hey, it's way back here, so, okay.
Which way are we going?
I remember that. It's hanging up on the lower pipe.
No, we cut out for that.
Oh, it's hanging up on the upper pipe.
We found an extra hole. Why does it already have a chingus in there? We didn't do that.
No, that was already there.
Okay.
It's pretty typical, Joe said, especially when those who are not trying to take everything apart.
Those who don't
Yeah.
use cardboard.
Yeah. But that's okay. He gave me a discount.
All right.
But then he made it back on a book. Well, we can pull that side forward, leave the screwdriver.
I guess you put the key in the ignition in order to test it.
Yep. Okay.
It's not there already? Is it on the other radiator?
That's always a possibility.
Hey, guess what? It's on the radiator.
Oh, man.
Piece of shit.
Yeah, that's the culprit that it was touching
What flavor do you need?
with that metal wrapped wire.
The hex?
There it goes again.
No, it's blade.
No, this is no good. God damn it.
Fuse is pulled. This is a trick I need to document.
That's the poor man's cutoff switch.
Where does it go? Starter,
There's
obviously,
a
but...
fuse block here,
Oh, yeah, okay.
which is an add-on. That was not on the original
And it's,
board.
but it's a safety add-on and you don't lose points for it.
It's very important to have one.
So if you pull the fuse just for long-term storage, is that disconnecting the battery from
Yes.
any...
Yep.
Anything except the
Starter.
The starter is hardwired.
But that's
Oh,
all right.
that one would do-
It
that's-
disconnects anything else that could be doing,
Yeah,
doing
the-
the draw.
Okay, there's
This
the
is
hose.
your
All right, let me get you a hose.
This is
I
big
need 2
information.
clamps.
How many hoses do you have?
Hopefully that's far enough.
I got a little overly zealous with the goop.
No, that was me squirting it on everywhere.
Is that like a flexible?
Yeah, it's
Seal.
another sealer, and it's a Joe Flint overkill maybe. But it's fine.
Yeah. Overkill is
Well, in this case,
undersold.
it's not gluing the distributor down, so it's
Wait
fine.
till Randy reads the book and then he'll never use that word again. I think you're about where it was before, aren't you? Or no?
I'm trying to get this clear.
Oh.
Unless you just want to paint the bottom of it, we can do that too. We don't have to pull it off to paint it.
This is what's wrong with your frickin' ammeter.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Flat battery.
it's dead.
No, it's not.
It's the double nut there. Or...
I don't know if we can get that down any at all.
Oh, come on.
Now this extra weight in the radiator, is that going to slow me down?
Yes.
Oh yeah, definitely. Slow you down, make your nose heavy.
Yeah.
Actually, you'll be going much faster because you won't be overheating.
Yeah. I won't go blind staring at the little thermometer on the top of the
On the
cap.
motometer.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, this one's a hex. You can
motometer, yeah.
use a hex on that one.
Line things up first.
Washer on this side.
Yeah.
What is this assembly called?
I don't know.
Hood brace.
Radiator rods.
Hood brace.
Hood brace?
Or radiator rods.
I have two of these hood
Radiator supports.
holders. This is the one it came with, and I was hoping to be able to open up both sides at the same time, but this is not possible.
Okay, my side's got to come back. Are you okay? You got them both on the same side.
Yes.
Okay.
Just seems simpler.
Yep. I didn't
You
do
can
that.
take them all off.
Well, but now to match the other side.
Okay.
I don't want to, you know.
If you got
Concord
enough thread
judges-
sticking through.
Okay, it won't go back at all. Huh? Nope. Okay.
Different radiator.
Oh God, yeah, that's right. Different radiator.
Leaking fuel gauge. That'll do it. Not exactly the premier design.
No. Well, I had
I flipped the nut over, and it went right on.
Oh, okay. Right around tight.
I did. Seriously tight. Okay.
a new look. Screwdriver attachments.
Yeah, it's kind of like a radiator in.
Now with that insulated wire, we're not going to have as much of a opportunity for shorts.
Well, the problem is in part where it can pinch here,
Yeah.
but it should be okay.
Yeah, no surprise.
The fuel gauge is so pretty, all the other instruments are degraded.
Well, actually, the ammeter doesn't look bad. No, they look fine. They look
They all
good.
look like they're, 100 years old or so.
I don't know if you know, I was in production on making dashboards.
Oh, I didn't know that,
Yeah, because everybody's aged out and making dashboards. And one guy went out of business in 2020.
All right, if you would,
Dashboards.
plug that fuse in.
Okay.
And I'm having nothing
And
but
let's see if we have
problems
any issues.
epoxy.
It's in.
Epoxy would seal it out. So
I used sanding sealer, which is
Oh, I don't have nothing. You sure the fuse is in? Push order. Okay, now the spring and the nut.
spring right there.
Oh, there's no washers on it at all?
Nope. There's the nut. See if I can get this one up there while
Hold up on that bolt. I'm gonna push down a little bit.
underneath.
You're
I
gonna
mean, I got one
show them
finger
up by
on it.
doing it by yourself, aren't you?
I was gonna
Yeah. Darn, I was hoping.
failed miserably. That thing's spinning.
Okay, can you turn yours
just in a terrible place.
Yeah.
Directly under the springs.
Henry
Okay, I'm
didn't-
holding the bolt.
Henry didn't think of that one very well.
Well, we put it together in a different way. Well, the top, front,
Okay, now I gotta find the hole.
hold that.
Okay. I gotta change the angle.
I thought I could.
Tell me when.
I think I'm on it. Reaching around the
Oh,
spring.
yeah, okay. Hold on, let me back it off just a little bit. I'm right there.
Here you go.
I'm done.
Okay. Don't give up yet. We'll let you out in a minute. Can you turn yours clockwise from your angle, so towards Joe, to the driver's side of the car? You want this little
Clockwise for me
stubby?
or clockwise for
Here,
you?
can you get this in there?
Clockwise.
Turn it
from
some.
you. Oh wait, I got it. I grabbed the end of it and used it for leverage. Come on. Stay where you are. Do you have pliers there, Joe?
There she goes.
Why does that not want to go through there? Let me pull it out a second.
Well, it's sticking through a little bit.
Is it?
One is the longer one.
Here, let's do this.
There it goes.
Got it. Okay. You can come out now, Bed. Okay. Can I help you?
No, it's just all going slow.
Yeah. You have to be slow and methodical.
Well, it doesn't hurt less when you go slow. It just hurts over a longer period of time.
I'll tell you, a couple months ago, I started going to the gym. And you would think, it's just like I've been doing the same walk 2 miles for 4 years. And you would think, oh, now that 2 mile walk is easy. No,
Get rid of this.
doesn't work.
That's somebody. What's going on here?
Yeah, because you were young.
I'm gonna give it to you from underneath. Okay, give me more slack. Push in more. No.
Arms are tight.
Here.
Oh, you need more slack on the.
Oh, I got it. You got it. That's fine.
Didn't want to squeeze you in there.
And each one of those fasteners, the top ones are the hardest to get, so do them first.
Okay, before we fasten it, what about the wires through the shroud for the headlights and such?
Afterward,
Afterwards. Okay.
after the shroud is fastened in.
I-
Okay, so if you have a Phillips head screw in the shroud over there, pull it out, throw it away.
Okay, this, in the end, we're gonna have to go down. Your neck is not sticking through.
Boy, and I
There we
don't
go.
see where you're. Okay. I don't. Okay, I see now. I comprehend.
Which way do you need to go?
Yeah, that way.
Come on. It's behind the felt.
Use a screwdriver to pry it away a little bit.
Lined up? You need to go somewhere.
It was, but now. Oh, there we go. I hate rubber gloves.
I hate Permatex.
I like them for the protection. I don't like them for anything else. Okay. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
You're in.
I beat Joe. 2 washers and 2 nuts over here. That's all I got.
And you got 2.
And I got 2 screws that
in?
are installed already.
Oh, F.
You get the flashlight and look everywhere, high,
Yeah.
low, and in between.
By the time you do, he'll be back with one.
Yeah, he'll probably have to tear a new bag open though.
Husband passed away, and he had a Lotus that he was trying to buy too. And while he was there looking at all the stuff, she had 2 MG TDs in pieces, and she had a trailer full of brand new parts. Her husband liked taking things apart, but he wasn't so good at putting them back together again.